Are you looking for the best boring drill bits in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best boring drill bits that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Rocaris Wood Plug Cutter Drill Bit Set. The Rocaris Plug Cutter Set offers a range of plug sizes, including 5/8 inch, 1/2 inch, 3/8 inch, and 1/4 inch, making it ideal for any project. You'll find it easy to attach the bits to your drill, allowing for smooth and accurate plug cutting without hassle. These wood plugs fit snugly, giving your woodworking projects a professional finish by effectively hiding screw holes. The quick change feature means you can easily switch out bits, and they fit into most power drills and hand tools, saving you time and effort. Up next in the 4th place is the Greycore Tools Self-Feed Drill Bit. The Greycore Self-Feed Drill Bit is designed for professional woodworkers who need efficiency and precision in their drilling tasks. Its heavy-duty construction ensures that you can rely on it for consistent performance and durability, making your projects easier. The aggressive feed screw allows for quick and smooth penetration, reducing the chances of stalling. With its advanced cutting geometry, this drill bit minimizes binding and ensures fast chip removal, giving you a more seamless drilling experience. You can also easily resharpen the open tooth design, allowing you to maintain peak performance over time. The 3rd product on our list is the Amana Tool Hinge Boring Drill Bit 35. The Amana Hinge Boring Bit is a versatile tool designed for creating recesses for cup hinges. It works with both wood and metal, ensuring clean and precise hole cutting. The sharp blades guarantee perfect drilling results every time. With a 35 mm diameter and 57 mm length, this right-hand rotation bit fits 10 mm shank boring machines and 3/8 inches shank presses. Amana Tool, a renowned brand known for industrial quality cutting tools, provides this durable and reliable hinge drill bit for your woodworking needs. Second on our list is the BOSCH Roto Zip SC4. The BOSCH Zip Bit for wood and plastic is a high-quality, versatile cutting tool that is designed to cut through a variety of materials from wood to fiberglass. The bit material is made of high-speed steel, making it durable and long-lasting. One of the key features of this product is the flexible extension that allows for precise cuts, even in hard-to-reach areas. Additionally, the entire outer surface of the extension does not rotate, which offers greater control and stability while cutting. This product outperforms the competition according to independent test results, ensuring that you get the best performance possible. Whether you're a professional or DIYer, the BOSCH Zip Bit for wood and plastic is a must-have tool in your collection. Finally, the top product on our list is the IRWIN SPEEDBOR Supreme Woodboring Drill Bit. The IRWIN SPEEDBOR Supreme Drill Bit is perfect for tackling tough jobs. Its high-speed steel cutting edge stays sharp, allowing you to easily drill through nail-embedded wood. The extended shank is designed for making long, deep cuts without needing extensions, which means fewer interruptions. With a chamfered edge, you can create clean holes and remove the bit smoothly. The aggressive screw tip ensures fast and efficient drilling by pulling through the material quickly. This tool is engineered for high performance and convenience, making it an excellent addition to your toolkit. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.